Hello, my beautiful people. Welcome to Docentes DigitalesTV. You are now watching the most complete video series to learn English and American culture in the easiest and most enjoyable way. You don't need to stress or memorize anything. Just listen carefully and watch the video several times to let the knowledge flow naturally. In today's video, we're diving into one of the biggest and most exciting events in American culture, the Super Bowl. If you've ever wondered why the Super Bowl is such a big deal in the United States, this video is for you. Get ready because we're going to explore the passion, the tradition, the entertainment, and of course, the food. The Super Bowl is the championship game of the National Football League, NFL, played every year in early February. It's the final game of the football season, where the two best teams from the AFC and NFC conferences face off to become national champions. But the Super Bowl is so much more than just a football game. It's a national event. For many Americans, the Super Bowl is like a holiday. Even people who don't normally watch football tune in. Families and friends gather for Super Bowl parties, where they eat snacks like chicken wings, nachos, and pizza. It's one of the biggest food days of the year, second only to Thanksgiving. Then there are the commercials. Companies spend millions of dollars to show 30-second ads during the Super Bowl. Why? Because the Super Bowl attracts over 100 million viewers. These commercials are often funny, creative, or emotional, and some people watch the game just to see the ads. Another major reason people love the Super Bowl is the halftime show. Big-name artists like Beyoncé, Shakira, Rihanna, and The Weeknd have all performed during halftime. It's one of the most watched musical performances in the world and a major part of the experience. The Super Bowl also reflects American values: competition, entertainment, teamwork, and celebration. It brings together sports fans, music lovers, foodies, and families for one unforgettable night. And whether your team wins or loses, the energy of the event stays with you. Thank you so much for staying until the end of this video. If you enjoyed learning why the Super Bowl is such a big deal in American culture, make sure to subscribe to Docentes DigitalesTV so you don't miss the feedback video. That part is super important for practicing your English and understanding cultural details. Give this video a like and share it with your friends to help us grow and create even better content for you. See you in the next adventure.